There are so many ways that we can interact and be in our bodies, and it can go very deep. Like Eric's sharing, just paying attention and listening and feeling our heartbeat is a way to bring ourselves into this moment where even if things feel very difficult outside, we can be in our bodies and continue to progress forth. We're adapted for nature, and nature can speak to us. So if it's listening to the song of the birds, splashing cold water on our faces, walking around our home, all those things have a calming effect on our bodies. And as we begin to listen to our bodies and speak to our bodies, we build a more compassionate and loving relationship with ourselves. That is something that we can take out into the world wherever we are, finding our peace. I'd love to hear if y'all have anything to share or reflect on, anything come to your mind as you were listening.